Good afternoon. In today's lecture, we will be discussing IVF, which is in vitro fertilization. What is IVF? IVF is the process of fertilization by extracting eggs from a female and retrieving a sperm sample from a male. This process then goes on to combine the collected egg and sperm in a laboratory dish to create an embryo. The embryo is then transferred to the woman's uterus, and the woman is then able to carry her child in her womb through the full 9-month term. This is a little picture of IVF. Why is IVF used? It provides couples who are unfortunately infertile to conceive a child of their own using their own egg and sperm. A woman may have trouble conceiving due to blocked or removed fallopian tubes and also ovulation problems. A male may have a very low sperm count or low sperm motility. IVF can also be used for unexplained infertility. The IVF process begins with step 1. Fertilization medications are given to the women so they can have a high production of eggs. A vaginal ultrasound will be taken to evaluate the woman's ovaries, and a blood test will be taken to monitor her hormone levels. Step 2. Eggs are retrieved from the woman, and medication is given to ease the discomfort and pain. Step 3. A male sperm sample is collected and prepared for the fertilization with the egg. Step 4. Insemination is conducted in a laboratory dish, which means the sperm and egg samples are mixed, and make sure there is conformation in the fertilization of the eggs, which makes them embryos. Step 5. Embryos are then transferred to the woman's uterus via catheter, and in a couple of days, the implantation begins. Cost and success rate of IVF. IVF is usually expensive and can cost up to $15,000 or more. There are many factors to consider when we discuss the success rate of IVF. Depending on age, fertility problems, previous pregnancies, lifestyle habits, and the clinic that the couple chooses, the usual success rate for IVF is 40% and decreases as the woman's age increases. The side effects of IVF are cramping, bloating, discomfort, bleeding, and infection, all of these which may be experienced by the female. There are also ethical issues involved with IVF. Artificial insemination of an embryo is usually found unnatural. Egg and sperm samples may be used from non-married couples. Donors for egg and sperm may vary. Clinical trials and scientific evidence were practiced unethically. The multiple choice question we have today is, what is the usual success rate of IVF? A, 10%, B, 50%, C, 40%, D, 60%, or E, none of the above. The correct answer is C, 40%. These are our references with a combination of websites and also scientific journals. Thank you for listening to my lecture. Have a great day.